In an era where advancements in science and technology increasingly rely on public engagement, NASA has opened the door for citizen scientists to contribute to groundbreaking research. With just a smartphone or a computer, anyone can embark on a scientific journey that spans our planet and the cosmos. This initiative is part of NASA's Citizen Science program, which has seen remarkable participation from over 3 million individuals eager to make a difference. Dr. Marc Kuchner, an astrophysicist and the Citizen Science Officer at NASA's Science Mission Directorate, emphasizes the collaborative nature of science, stating that science for you, it's collaborative. I connect the public and scientists to get more NASA science done. This initiative invites volunteers from around the globe to assist in various projects, from searching for exoplanets and analyzing cloud patterns to observing auroras and tracking asteroids. One standout project, Aurorasaurus, exemplifies the importance of citizen involvement. Participants photograph auroras from different locations, providing valuable data that enhances NASA's satellite observations. Kuchner highlights the critical role of mass participation, noting that some scientific endeavors hinge on the collective effort of many eyes and minds. There are science projects that you can't do without the help of a big team, he points out. Faber Burgos, a Colombian citizen scientist and science communicator, is among those who have taken advantage of these opportunities. Engaged in the International Astronomical Search collaboration, Burgos expresses his aspiration to make history through his contributions. His enthusiasm is echoed by the program's accomplishments, including the discovery of over 4,000 brown dwarfs and the quest for a hypothetical ninth planet in our solar system. For those looking to join the ranks of citizen scientists, the pathway is straightforward. The NASA Citizen Science website lists numerous projects, many of which are accessible in various languages. Kuchner encourages potential participants to explore these projects and attend live events where they can learn directly from NASA scientists. Pick a project you like, and if it's not fun, pick a different one, he advises. The program is not just for seasoned scientists, it welcomes individuals of all ages with kid-friendly projects like NemoNet, an interactive game that teaches participants about coral reef ecosystems. The Globe Observer initiative allows users to collect data on environmental variables such as mosquito habitats, contributing to vital public health research. Moreover, citizen scientists frequently transition into more substantive roles, with over 500 contributors co-authoring scientific publications. Hugo Durantini, Luca, an Argentinian citizen scientist, exemplifies this trajectory. His involvement in projects like Stardust at Home and Disk Detective has enabled him to contribute to significant discoveries, including novel stellar disks. The community aspect of citizen science fosters relationships that extend beyond the digital realm. Durantini Luca shares that many participants have formed friendships over years of collaboration, forging connections that inspire ongoing scientific inquiry. As NASA continues to refine its citizen science program, the implications of this public engagement are profound. It not only democratizes science but also cultivates a global community united by curiosity and discovery. With initiatives like the annual NASA International Space Apps Challenge, which encourages innovative solutions to real-world problems, the potential for future advancements remains limitless. In conclusion, NASA's Citizen Science program stands as a testament to the power of collective effort in scientific exploration. As technology evolves and more citizens join the fold, the dream of unraveling the mysteries of the universe becomes increasingly attainable for all. The future beckons, promising new discoveries and the opportunity for anyone, regardless of their background, to contribute to the ever-expanding tapestry of human knowledge. In a groundbreaking study published in Scientific Reports, researchers have unveiled the potential of BMP2 mRNA transfected bone marrow mesenchymal stem cells (BMSCs) to significantly enhance calvarial bone regeneration. This innovative approach addresses a pressing challenge in oral and craniofacial surgery, where large critical-size bone defects are notoriously difficult to regenerate. As the medical community seeks alternatives to invasive autologous grafting, this research opens new avenues for non-invasive regenerative therapies. The study led by Therafat Sarising and colleagues utilized a rat calvarial defect model to evaluate the effectiveness of messenger RNA mRNA encoding bone morphogenic protein 2 BMP2. Two delivery methods were employed: the in vivo application of BMP2 mRNA encapsulated in lipid nanoparticles and the ex vivo transfection of rat BMSCs with BMP2 mRNA. The results demonstrated that both methods improved bone regeneration, with the ex vivo transfected BMSCs showing the most pronounced effects. Microcomputed tomography analysis revealed that the delivery of BMP2 mRNA via lipid nanoparticles significantly enhanced bone regeneration compared to control groups. Notably, the incorporation of ex vivo transfected BMSCs loaded onto scaffolds resulted in even greater improvements in calvarial defect healing. The study's quantitative data indicated that defects treated with BMP2 mRNA transfected BMSCs achieved closure rates of up to 89.7% compared to a mere 31.3% in non-transfected controls. Interestingly, the research also explored the effects of other growth factors such as fibroblast growth factor 2 FGF2 and platelet-derived growth factor BB/PDGF-BB. However, these did not yield the desired enhancement in bone regeneration, and in the case of PDGF-BB, even suppressed the positive effects of BMP2 mRNA transfected BMSCs. This finding underscores the specificity and potential superiority of BMP2 mRNA in promoting osteogenesis. The authors also investigated the osteogenic differentiation of BMP2 mRNA transfected RBMSCs in fibroblasts. Surprisingly, neither cell type demonstrated significant osteogenic differentiation in vitro, suggesting that they primarily function as producers of BMP2 rather than as osteogenic cells themselves. In contrast, human BMSCs exhibited expected osteogenic responses when transfected with BMP2 mRNA, highlighting potential differences in cellular behavior across species. The implications of this research extend beyond the laboratory. As Kate Broderick, Chief Innovation Officer at TriLink Biotechnologies, noted, the success of mRNA technologies during the COVID-19 pandemic has paradoxically led to a backlash against the medium-threatening future innovations. Broderick emphasizes the need for policymakers to recognize the transformative potential of mRNA in medicine, particularly in addressing critical health challenges like cancer and rare diseases. The findings from this study not only provide a promising alternative for bone regeneration but also contribute to the broader discourse on mRNA technologies. With the potential to revolutionize regenerative medicine, the application of BMP2 mRNA holds the promise of advancing therapeutic strategies in oral and craniofacial applications, paving the way for a future where complex bone defects can be targeted with greater precision and efficacy. As researchers prepare for large-scale clinical trials, the focus will be on validating these results in human populations and refining the delivery methods for clinical application. The integration of mRNA-based therapies into standard medical practice may soon transform the landscape of regenerative medicine, offering patients safer and more effective options for bone repair and regeneration. In a groundbreaking advancement in cancer research, a novel methodology known as CanSeer has emerged, paving the way for personalized cancer models and therapeutics. This innovative approach leverages computational modeling and a comprehensive analysis of biomolecular networks to design tailored cancer treatments based on individual genetic profiles. The development of CanSeer represents a significant milestone in the ongoing battle against cancer, which remains a leading cause of death worldwide. CanSeer addresses some of the most pressing challenges in oncology, including drug resistance and variability in patient responses to treatment. Traditional cancer therapies often fall short due to these issues, necessitating a shift towards more personalized approaches. The CanSeer framework is built on the premise that by understanding the unique genetic alterations present in a patient's tumor, researchers can develop more effective treatment strategies. At the heart of CanSeer is its ability to integrate patient-specific genomic and transcriptomic data into biomolecular network models. This integration allows for dynamical analyses that can predict how individual tumors will respond to various therapeutic interventions. By employing a methodology that incorporates both genetic alterations and RNA-seq data, CanSeer aims to identify actionable targets and reposition existing FDA-approved drugs for new therapeutic uses. The methodology consists of 4 primary steps. Initially, it involves developing literature-derived biomolecular regulatory network models which are validated against existing data. The next step focuses on acquiring and processing patient-specific omics data, including copy number variations, somatic mutations, and gene expression profiles. Following this, the models are personalized by annotating them with this omics data, allowing for a more accurate representation of the patient's tumor. Finally, therapeutic evaluations are conducted to identify the most effective treatment regimens, including potential drug combinations. In a recent case study involving lung squamous cell carcinoma, the utility of CanSeer was exemplified through its ability to predict optimal treatment regimens tailored to individual patients. The analysis revealed several promising drug combinations, including the use of repositioned drugs and novel combinations that had not previously been explored in clinical settings. This level of precision in treatment planning could significantly enhance patient outcomes and reduce the likelihood of treatment resistance. Ali Shalatafard, a prominent figure in the field of cancer research and recent inductee into the National Academy of Sciences, emphasizes the importance of such innovative methodologies in advancing cancer treatment. Working as a biochemist in the field of pediatric cancer has been one of the most meaningful experiences. Shalatafard remarked. He recognizes the potential of personalized approaches like CanSeer to reshape the landscape of cancer therapy. The implications of CanSeer extend beyond just improving treatment efficacy, they also promise to enhance the understanding of cancer biology. By elucidating the mechanistic underpinnings of how different genetic alterations affect treatment responses, CanSeer could provide invaluable insights that inform future research and therapeutic strategies. As the field of personalized medicine continues to evolve, methodologies like CanSeer herald a new era in oncology. The integration of computational modeling and patient-specific data not only enhances the precision of cancer therapies but also aligns with the broader trend towards individualized medicine. Looking ahead, the potential for CanSeer to facilitate clinical trials and expedite the development of novel therapeutics could significantly impact cancer care, offering hope to patients facing this formidable disease. At the forefront of scientific innovation. Artificial intelligence (AI) is increasingly being harnessed by researchers at the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory Berkeley Lab to accelerate discoveries across diverse scientific disciplines. From materials science to biology, AI is transforming the research landscape, enabling scientists to tackle challenges that were previously considered insurmountable. As the lab continues to pioneer advanced AI tools, its efforts underscore the critical role of technology in advancing scientific knowledge and addressing pressing global challenges. One of the most ambitious projects at Berkeley Lab is the development of A-Lab, an automated laboratory designed to expedite the discovery of new materials. Researchers are leveraging AI to predict the properties of thousands of novel materials, which could have significant implications for technologies such as fuel cells and batteries. A-Lab operates in a closed-loop system where robots guided by AI algorithms autonomously synthesize and test materials. Processing up to 100 samples a day, 50 to 100 times more than human researchers could manage. This system not only accelerates the pace of materials discovery but also allows scientists to focus on designing experiments rather than manual testing. In the realm of synthetic biology, staff scientist Hector Garcia Martin is merging AI with mathematical modeling to revolutionize the design of organisms. His research aims to streamline the iterative processes of engineering biological systems, potentially reducing the timeline for creating commercially viable products from a decade to just 6 months. I think an intense application of AI and robotics to synthetic biology can accelerate timelines 20-fold, Martin stated. Highlighting the profound impact that AI can have in fields that directly affect human health and environmental sustainability. AI is also making strides in electronics through the development of a machine learning technique that rapidly screens chemicals for use in film capacitors. This innovation has already identified a compound with record-breaking performance promising to enhance the reliability and cost-effectiveness of energy technologies. The collaboration between Berkeley Lab and several institutions exemplifies how AI can expedite research processes and yield significant breakthroughs. The field of particle physics is not immune to the transformative potential of AI either. Researchers at Berkeley Lab have developed OmniFold, a machine learning tool that can analyze vast datasets generated by particle colliders in mere minutes. Traditionally, analyzing such data could take years, but with the help of supercomputing resources, scientists are now able to extract insights that drive fundamental physics research. Such advancements not only facilitate a deeper understanding of the universe but also pave the way for better technologies. The introduction of GPCAM, a data collection and analysis tool, is enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of scientific experiments across various domains. By automating data acquisition, GPCAM has significantly reduced the time required for studies on quantum properties of two-dimensional materials, a category with wide-ranging applications from semiconductors to drug delivery. Its open-source nature means that researchers worldwide can benefit from this technology, fostering collaboration and innovation. Additionally, Berkeley Lab's DPMDKit software has revolutionized molecular modeling, enabling simulations of chemical processes involving over 100 million atoms, 10 times more than previous capabilities. This breakthrough allows scientists to explore complex reactions with unprecedented accuracy, accelerating research in materials science and chemistry. However, the benefits of AI are not limited to technical advancements. As researchers increasingly embrace these tools, they are also recognizing the necessity of a collaborative approach. The Berkeley Lab has engaged in initiatives to train earth scientists in AI methods, highlighting the importance of bridging the gap between data science and domain-specific knowledge. Programs like boot camps and hackathons have led to a notable increase in the application of AI techniques within the lab, fostering a culture of interdisciplinary collaboration. Despite these advancements, the broader landscape of AI research is facing challenges due to recent federal budget cuts that threaten funding for scientific initiatives. As institutions strive to maintain their research capabilities, the potential for AI to democratize scientific inquiry is at risk. With substantial cuts to the National Science Foundation and other research funding bodies, public institutions are grappling with limited access to AI resources, which could stifle innovation and hinder progress in vital areas such as healthcare and climate science. In conclusion, while Berkeley Lab is at the forefront of harnessing AI to drive scientific discovery, the ongoing challenges posed by funding cuts and institutional barriers underscore the need for a concerted effort to support and sustain AI research. As the scientific community navigates these hurdles, the successful integration of AI technologies into research practices will be crucial for addressing the complex challenges facing society today. The future of AI in science hinges not only on technological advancements but also on fostering a culture that values collaboration, innovation, and equitable access to resources. In a striking advancement in nuclear energy technology, Chinese scientists have achieved a groundbreaking milestone by successfully refueling a thorium molten salt reactor while it remains operational. This unprecedented feat heralds a new era in nuclear power generation, enhancing the safety and efficiency of energy production and positioning China at the forefront of nuclear innovation. The achievement was announced during an April 8 meeting at the Chinese Academy of Sciences, where lead scientist Su Hongjie emphasized the significance of the breakthrough. China now leads the global frontier in nuclear innovation, he stated, indicating the transformative nature of this development. The prototype reactor, which came online in June 2024, is located in a concealed facility in the Gobi Desert and is capable of generating 2 megawatts of energy, enough to power approximately 2,000 households. The thorium reactor's design utilizes molten salt as both a coolant and a fuel medium, allowing for high-temperature operation without the risk of a meltdown. In contrast to traditional uranium-based reactors, molten salt reactors (MSRs) are designed to naturally solidify if exposed to air, greatly reducing the likelihood of catastrophic failures akin to those witnessed in Chernobyl and Fukushima. Moreover, these reactors produce significantly less waste, with the potential for using waste from solid fuel uranium reactors as a fuel source. Historically, thorium reactors were explored in the US during the 1950s but were eventually sidelined in favor of uranium. However, the declassification of early research has allowed Chinese scientists to revive and significantly advance this technology. The US left its research publicly available, waiting for the right successor. "We were that successor," Su remarked, drawing a parallel to Aesop's fable about the tortoise and the hare, suggesting that while the US may have been the front-runner, China has now seized the opportunity to lead. China's ambitious energy strategy is partly motivated by its commitment to becoming carbon neutral by 2060. A target underscored by its substantial contribution to global carbon emissions. The country's extensive thorium reserves, estimated to meet energy needs for the next 60,000 years, make this technology particularly appealing. As President Xi Jinping pushes for greener energy solutions, this breakthrough signifies a decisive step towards sustainable energy production. Meanwhile, developments in nuclear fusion research are also accelerating globally, with Canada setting a world record for neutron production and TAE Technologies in the US claiming to have developed a prototype fusion reactor that could significantly outperform existing designs. These advances highlight the competitive landscape and the pursuit of clean and sustainable energy sources. As nations race to harness the potential of nuclear fusion and thorium reactors, the implications for global energy security and environmental sustainability are profound. The advancements made in China alongside progress in Canada and the US indicate that the future of energy generation may be on the cusp of a revolutionary shift. In conclusion, as these innovations unfold, the energy landscape is poised for dramatic change. The next few years will be critical as countries refine their technologies and strategies in the quest for clean, safe, and efficient energy. The race for a sustainable energy future is intensifying, and it is clear that both nuclear fission and fusion will play pivotal roles in shaping the world's energy systems.